Good evening from Singapore. Today I'm going to walk from Esplanade Mall, the mall with the durian spike, along this bridge and to reach the Manam Park, and let's see how long it takes, as well as enjoy the scenery as we walk through. So let's enjoy, man. You know, this is a very famous tourist attraction, and on this bridge, right, there are people taking photos and jogging. I think maybe it's nice to propose at night here. I mean, just an idea for those who are already attached, right? Consider, man. I mean, it's one of the most romantic spots that I think Singapore can offer. And look at the bridge. I mean, those boats, man. It's just so nice. I think here, right, it's like 80% or maybe 90% are foreigners and 10% are the locals. And they come from different countries: China, Malaysia, Thailand, Philippines, Indonesia, and from European countries. You know, Singapore is like quite central located, right? So, I mean, along the Southeast Asian country, the people from Malaysia, they like to come here because I think in Singapore there are more things to explore. And then the tourists from Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, Laos, Myanmar, Cambodia like to come here also, because maybe they don't need a visa to come here. I know the citizens from Vietnam, they don't need a visa. They can enjoy like 2 weeks, I think, come here. So, you know, visa costs money, right? So, yeah, that's one of the reasons. And the second reason, because Singapore is near to their countries, right? For example, Singapore is just like 1.5 hours, 90 minutes. It's just 90 minutes flight from Ho Chi Minh City, Saigon. So the flight tickets will be cheaper, and the time spent on the flight is just 90 minutes. It's much faster than going to other countries, and of course the budget will be quite be cheaper after deducting the flight ticket, right? If you go to Europe, right, from Vietnam, maybe it costs over $1,000 for air ticket. So you have to add your hotel, accommodation, all those stuff. Add up together, it can be like $3,000 Singapore dollars for just like 3 days, 2 nights. It's like quite expensive, right? We're going to reach soon. You can see the Fullerton Hotel on the right side. It's a 5-star hotel. My friend had a wedding many years back, right there. And the merlion is facing strategically at the Marina Bay Sands, which is nice. The riverboat costs $25. They take you one round around the Singapore River. Finally, we arrived. About 1,000 tourists right here. Unbelievable, man. Every single day. And look at the merlion. Actually, it means like half a lion's head and half a fish tail. It's like sprouting in the water.